All right, so today I'll be showing you how to reset your Magic Keyboard. Now, if you have a Magic Keyboard, your Apple Magic Keyboard, and you're having trouble connecting it to other devices, then it's probably because it does need a factory reset. Now, to reset your Magic Keyboard, you first of all need to connect it to the computer that it's normally connected to. If it's a Mac or a MacBook, doesn't really matter. And if you're having problems connecting to this because this keyboard won't go into pairing mode, then you can connect via a cable, right? So just get a cable, a USB cable, connect one end to a USB port on your computer, and the other end to the lightning port on the keyboard, this one right here. So just go ahead and do that. And that should connect your keyboard to your computer. Okay, beg your pardon. So that should get the keyboard connected to the computer. And now, even if you unplug the cable, it's going to remain connected via Bluetooth, right? So that's how you can do that. And then now, once you've connected, you want to go into Bluetooth settings. So click on settings and then go to Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, you can see our keyboard is here. So what you need to do is click on the eye icon. And from the menu that pops up, go ahead and click on forget this device. And then confirm you want to forget. And that is going to reset all the Bluetooth connections on that keyboard. That's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.